welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do my skincare. I do this twice a week. This is very basic and very easy to follow step-by-step skincare. It's for a beginner, so if you're a beginner you can start on this and can add products based on your needs. So let's get started. First, I'm going to wash my hands because every time you are planning to touch your face, you need to wash your hands. Also, during this time, you guys should be washing your hands at least every 2 to 3 hours. It will keep not yourself safe, but also your loved ones. And please, please, please guys, stay home, stay safe. Now I'm damping my face with some warm water because it will open the pores and it will make the skincare more effective. Definitely you want to clean up all the pores, clogged pores, and yep, that's why you need to use the warm water. Step 1. Use a cleanser to wash your face first. I'm using the Roche Posay. It's a French brand. It's a foaming cleanser. I try to use this twice a day, especially when I get up from the bed and also when I come home from work or school. So this eliminates all the dirt on your surface, like on top of the face. So we absorb a lot of dirt when we are outside, also from sleeping, because on our pillow definitely we do absorb a lot of dirt. It will eliminate all the dirt and give you a very clean canvas to work on. And definitely wash your face with warm water until your last step of skincare. Step 2. Exfoliate your face. I am using the Ocean Salt Face and Body by Lush. I do use a lot of their products. It's very good. It suits my skin very well. So exfoliator, it's needed. It will help your skin to get rid of all the lumps, all the bumps you have on your face, and also this exfoliator helps my face to get rid of the blackheads I have around my nose area. And definitely massage your face very gently. Also, I try to use exfoliate at least once or twice a week, not more than that, because I think it just not good for your skin to use exfoliate every day. It just doesn't help you in the long run.
Open up, shut it down like Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Step 3. Masking. I'm using the Cup of Coffee by Lush. Again, it's this is a very good product for me. I do have lots of pigmentation around my mouth area. I think this one helps me to kind of like lighten that, and also definitely the coffee is a very, very good exfoliator, or you guys can say coffee itself is very good for your skin. So now I'm done putting it on. I will keep this on my face for 20 minutes. Now it's time to take off the mask. So I just wash it with oh, this time definitely with cold water, because this is the last step for my skincare. So it's kind of like closing my skincare, I guess. that's how I think. So yeah, definitely on your last step of skincare, use cold water.
The doors OPEN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression.
As you guys can see, I do not have any flakes, any kind of blackheads around my nose or on the nose, and my skin is very soft like babies. Step 4. Serum. I am using the ordinary niacinamide 10%, zinc 1%. So this is a very good serum for me. I use it every time I go to this skincare. It has 10% pure niacinamide and 1% zinc. It's very good to minimize the pores. Also, it's very effective when you are before going to bed. And I think as I know, niacinamide is very good to not to get wrinkles in your early age. Step 5. Sunscreen. I am using the La Roche Posay sunscreen. It's daily sunscreen. It's also a serum. Sunscreen are also good. It's very good also not to get wrinkles in your early age. And you should use sunscreen every day. Basically, it's not just to protect your skin from sun, also to give a good enhancement to your skin. Step 6. Moisturizing. I am using the La Roche Posay Effective Matte Hydrant Moisturizer. It's for oily skin. I got a set from La Roche Posay. It's the oily skin set. It comes with the face wash, also this moisturizer. Definitely do not skip this step. Moisturizer is much needed. It's like watering your skin. You should never skip moisturizer just because you have an oily skin. Definitely use the oil-free moisturizer to give your skin a very good boost. Also, not forgetting my lips, I'm using the Baby Lips by Maybelline. It's a lip balm. Definitely don't forget your lips. So guys, here is the final look. I mean, after skincare look. As you guys can see, I do not have any flakes on my skin and it looks very smooth and nice. Yeah guys, this is it. Take care, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.